What's up, guys? We are back. All right, man. I really like that we are doing this in the morning. At least for me, it's in the morning. You know, like when I take my kids to school, I see people jogging, working out. That inspire me. You know, I thought, man, I should be jogging. But this is even better. I'm dancing, warming up my body, getting a good workout, getting my rhythm stronger. So today, I like to go over, this is called Saccing. Actually, when I first learned this move, or when I first saw this move, I just thought it was a cool move. This is it right here. Boom, 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 okay? And later on, it was Skeeter Rabbit that told me it's called Saccing. When they first saw it, it's these guys from Sacramento, so they gave tribute to Sacramento dancers, because when they saw it, they're like, dude, that's dope. They don't know what it's called, but it's these guys from Sacramento that they saw. Anyways, without getting further into it, let's get sacking. Let's start with the footwork. Let me just show you stuff. Do it along with me, and we'll break it down. Okay? Let's get this beat going. Hope y'all can hear this. Just follow along with the beat. Here we go. There's the beat right there. Watch the feet. Sack. Boom. Forward. Got my little sweat going on here. Sweatpants. Really comfortable for home. Boom. Boom. Okay? I'm doing it slow so you guys can see what I'm doing. Just do it along with me. We're going to turn it up real soon though. Here we go. Tap, tap, okay? Boom, boom. Front view, boom, boom. Tap, tap. I'm just doing the bottom leg right now. Get that going before we add other stuff. Tap, tap, tap. Let's start with the left leg. Left, right. Okay. Now that you kind of warm up with that, let's go a little bit more. We're going to go 4, okay? 4 times. Right, left, okay? That's 4 times. Here you go. 5, 6. Okay? One more time. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Once you got that, we're just going to keep going now. No stopping. Focus on the legs. Let's go for, I don't know, 4 8 counts or whatnot. Here we go. Maintain balance. Maintain rhythm. You don't have to, but I'm turning to the side so you can see from the side view. Yeah? Have you guys seen this before? You should. If you watch some dance videos, you should. I'm not going to tell you where or when. You should though. If you know it, drop it in the comments. Alright, sacking. Now there's other variations where people go a heel tap. Right now, don't worry about the names. Not yet. Just build rhythm right here. Okay? I'm traveling a little bit closer to you guys so you can probably see a little better. Okay? Keep going, keep going. Okay, that's about good for me right now. If you want to continue, rewind back and go a little bit again. Now, I'm going to show you a little bit of variation. Okay? Let me rewind the music so we could try it again. Just like before, we got the right, left, right, single, single, double. It's the same thing. So we just did all the singles. Let's try the doubles. Right, left, left. Again, we start slow, okay? This is for complete beginners. If you've never done this before, if you have done this before, just do it along. Just make it better. Double, here we go. Right, left, left. Okay? This view. Right, right, left, left. Okay, tempo. Right, right, left, left. Don't step on your pants like I did. Here we go. 5, 6, again. Double, double. Okay? Now, quickly go on to paradiddle, single, single, double. Here we go. Sing, sing. So if you tried it, you might find that switching from the single to the double or double back to the single, some might be a little bit more difficult. Some of you might be like, dude, this is easy, I got this. So that's cool, okay? So let's do this one more time. Again, this is only focusing on the legs right now. We're gonna add more stuff soon. Here we go. One more. All right, good, 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 good. Now, so far what we've done, I didn't touch upon the body angle, what the body's doing, what the arm's doing, okay? First thing I want to show you guys is you can vary the hip angle. You don't want to just be here the whole time. This looks very stiff, okay? If you want to, that's cool. But to better yourself, try different angles. So, from here, I want to just bend about this. What is it, 30 degrees? You guys want to get a protractor or whatever, measure that's all good. Just bend here. Some of you might even go a little bit lower, 45 or 90. That's, I don't know, that might be too much. But know how to vary a little bit, all right? So let's just say this is 30 degrees. Practice doing this at this angle. I'm gonna go slow. 1, 2, 3, quick. Okay? So you're gonna feel that, hey, this is a little bit different because your balance is a little bit off. Before you're standing straight up, it might be easier. This might be harder, or this might be easier. Some of you guys, I don't know, okay? So you gotta try it. Here we go. 5, 6, let's go singles. Let's go doubles, here we go. Single, single, double. Yeah? All right, my music's died on me. I'm gonna rewind it real quick. If you guys wanna hear a different song, drop in the comment. Say, yo, play a better song. Or I like this song. What's the name of the song? I don't even know. It's from my boy Wish. Wish Boogie. Love you, bro. All right. So, we have paradiddle up from here. We have paradiddle here. If you think about it, what's next? Variation. Down and up. Let's give that a try. 2 here, 2 here. 2 up, 2 down. Okay? So now there's more movements, right? Your leg, right now, our hope is that your leg is on autopilot already. And now we're gonna try to focus on the waist, the bending of the waist. Alright? So this is almost like another level. Okay? You build up your leg muscle memory. Now you gotta build some waist muscle memory. Okay? So for this pattern, we're gonna go 2 up, 2 down. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Up, up. Okay? Now, I'm gonna quickly turn over to left side. We always start on the right side. The problem is if you always start on one side, starting on the other side, it kind of plays with you. So we want to practice that. Left side. Here we go. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right. So I'm gonna go one more thing. This is for the poppers out there, okay? Saccing. You pop your arms. I'm not gonna get too much into this. I'm gonna have more video strictly on popping your arms, getting that muscle contraction. Now, if you have this, you add this to the footwork, it looks dope, okay? So first variation, what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep the single with different arm movement. Now, I'm not gonna give you a set pattern. It's up to you to play with the arm. We're just popping, snapping the arm. Again, if you want more arm drills, I got some arm drills later, or from previous videos. If I remember, I'll put it up down in the description below. If I don't remember, drop me a comment and say, hey, Ceech, you say you're gonna drop it, you didn't drop it, give me the link. All right, so anyways, saccing, we pop with the leg movement. Here we go. Focus on the leg first. Okay? I can even go single, 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 up. Now we add the arms. Then we add the angle. To me, this is a fun dance. A lot of the dance, you know, don't think about so much about battling or beating somebody. Enjoy the dance. Just like the morning jog. Enjoy the exercise. Enjoy the morning breath. Morning breath, not the morning breath. Enjoy the morning air. Enjoy the music. Have fun with it, okay? That's what this dance series is about. All right? Hope you guys have fun, learn lots, share it. Drop me a like if this helps. Drop me a comment if it doesn't help. Yo, this don't help. Or it does help. Anyways, guys, I have fun doing it, and hope you did too. If you didn't, whatever, man. I'll see you.